15.2 question 7, and on the next question here what we've got is, if we can get on here, these three questions. Again, maybe a little bit harder here, so let's deal with part A first of all. So again, your idea here is to try and tidy up the things that are the same. Imagine you're dealing with Lego bricks or something, and you've got a red Lego brick that represents your x squareds here. So there's a red Lego brick for that one, that's 2. Your x squared, so you've got 2 of these now here. Have you got any more? You've got another 4 over here, so here's 4 more of these red Lego bricks there. My great drawing. But if you have 2 Lego bricks and you have 4 Lego bricks, you're going to have 6 Lego bricks in total, which means, of course, the Lego bricks are just helping you understand the x squared here. So 6x squared there, that's 2x squared plus 4x squared is 6x squared. Now, this 5x, so imagine you have 5 egg boxes, and you have another 8 egg boxes over here. So 5 egg boxes, you have another 8 egg boxes, the x's are the same thing, so 5 and 8 gives you 13, so 5 egg boxes and 8 egg boxes are going to give you 13 egg boxes there. So we're now up to 13x there in that one. And then the last one, as you'll notice here, you've got a plus 8 and you've got a minus 3, and you treat that the way that you would do any calculation. 8 minus 3, that's just 2 numbers. They are like terms, they've no x's with them. Well, in fact, would you believe they've actually got 8x to the power of 0 is what power is with them. That's for another day. So 8 minus 3 is simply 5, and there's part A done. Let's move on to part B. So moving on to part B, we've got, again, we've got our x squareds here. So 5x squared and minus 4x squared. So that's just, when you've got the like terms, you just work with the numbers in the front. So 5 minus 4 is 1x squared. Of course, we don't need to put in the 1 because we know that that's implied in maths. So that's 1x squared there. Then we've got 3x. Any more x's, we've got a minus x over here, so 3x minus x, so don't forget that that's a minus 1x, so 3 minus 1 is 2, so that's going to be simply 2x in here, so that's very straightforward and easy. And then the last one, just be careful here, you have your numbers, minus 1 plus 5, and this is our old friend when the signs are different, so you're adding and subtracting here. When the signs are different, take the small number from the big. So 1 from 5 is 4. Keep the sign of the big number, and it's tall, majestic hills. So that's going to be a plus 4. And there is job done for part B. So that's x squared plus 2x plus 4. You're now moving on to part C. And in part C here, we've got a few bits going on again. So we've got b squareds this time. So these are the different terms. We've got b squared. We've got so have we, sorry, I'll just move that around there. So have we any more b squared, we've got b squared. So let's deal with that first of all. Oh no, we'll have a look what else we've got. We've got b's here. So there are other things that maybe needed to be tidied up. We've also got numbers. So let's put down the hashtag symbol here for to symbolize numbers. And if I have a look here, so I think that's it. So let's deal with our b squareds first of all. So we've 11 bananas and we've eaten 3 of them. 11 minus 3, we're going to have 8 bananas. And then we have, so that's the b squareds dealt with. We've nothing else, no more bananas. Then we have this minus 7b. So let's call this beach balls. So you have minus 7b. And you have plus 5b, you need to be really careful here. Minus 7 plus 5, and we're back to our old friend. When the signs are different, take the small number from the big. So in this case, the small number is 5, the big number is 7, so we're left with 2. And you keep the sign of the big number, and it's tall, majestic hills. So minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. Minus 7b plus 5b is minus 2b. And then the last one is minus 1 minus 9. It's good to see this one here because it gives us, don't forget our old friend. When the signs are the same, add numbers, keep sign. When the signs are the same, add numbers. So 1 and 9 is 10. And keep the sign. So you get minus 10 there. And that's part C. And that under 5 minutes, just in time. It's question 7.